Welcome back. In this video, we will explore how you can export your responses from your Quizify forms. From your Shopify dashboard, open Quizify Product Quiz. Here, you will find a section called Responses. Clicking on it opens a page where you can select the quiz you want to export responses from and choose the date range, like today, last 7 days, or a fully custom date range. Once you have selected the quiz and the date range, you will see all the responses. Now you have two ways to export. Export user data. This exports only essential customer data such as name, email address, and phone number. Export responses. This exports everything, including all user data, every answer submitted in the quiz. The exported files are ready to be imported into your favorite marketing tool such as Klaviyo or MailChimp. This makes it easy to segment your users, send personalized email campaigns, and boost engagement and conversion. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to export your responses from your Quizify form. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.